Hi, TikTok recently released its new app, TikTok Now. Let's find out. Open the app. Every day you will receive a notification at a random time to capture a moment. Click on Start. As you can see, the app uses your TikTok account. Click on Continue. Now, the app needs notification permission. Click Next. Then, Confirm. Now tap on the notification to post your first TikTok now. Give him the required permission. This opens up a 2-minute window for you to post a picture what you are currently doing. Press and hold to record the video. This feature is not available in BeReal. Whatever, tap for a photo. Hold for video. I hold now to record the video, and the app uses your front and back cam at the same time. Now you have some options here like retake, who you can view. Click on it. You can select friends or everyone. Close it. To publish, click on this icon. Now my post is published. It's up here. Post likes, comments, and shares. As you can see, this is the friends section. Scroll down to see your friends' posts. There is no reaction emoji like the BeReal. Now double tap on the picture to like it, or you can switch to the front cam picture. When you tap on, long press to view the full picture. The great news, TikTok Now doesn't notify screenshot. You can take any. Now let's move to the Explore section. Here you will find people around you or around the world. Scroll down for more and more. For sure I can add anyone from Discovery. Just click on their names. Then click Follow. Now let's move to the Add a Friend section. From the top you can search for any name. And here's your profile link I can share. Down here, all suggestions you can follow back. But note that these are TikTok friends. Now up here, Friends, tap on it. Here I can find my friends list. And the little blue icon here says he has a new post. Finally, important things. Click on your profile. Here, profile picture and username. You can manage or edit from the TikTok app. Down here, your memories. Click on anyone to view. Then slide to show more and more. From the 3 dots, you can delete. Now, if you need to delete your TikTok Now account, go to Settings. Here, Manage TikTok account. As we said, link to your TikTok account. You must delete your TikTok account. Click on Delete Account here. Now go back. The privacy here. You can make your account private. Turn this on if you wish. Back. Push notification. You can manage from phone settings. And finally down, I can log out. That's it. If you like our channel idea, please subscribe to support us. Thanks for watching.